Good morning, students. Let us discuss dienone-phenol rearrangement. Dienone-phenol rearrangement is an acid-catalyzed rearrangement of 4,4-dialkyl cyclohexadienone to 3,4-dialkyl phenol through 1,2 migration of alkyl group. 1,2 migration of the alkyl group will take place here, and it will be converted to 3,4-dialkyl phenol. That is, this rearrangement is known as dienone-phenol rearrangement. This is a rearrangement which involves the conversion of a non-aromatic molecule to an aromatic molecule in the presence of an acid. Here, in the presence of sulfuric acid and heat, this will be converted to, the dienone will be converted to a phenol. That is why it is called dienone-phenol rearrangement. And coming to the mechanism, we can see that the dienone-phenol rearrangement is the transformation of a diketone to phenol in the presence of an acid. Here, the positive charge. Here we can see that the positive charge lies on the carbon adjacent to the highly substituted carbon. That is, in this, a carbocation rearrangement is also taking place. Subsequently, a proton loss will be taking place and it yields a di-substituted phenol. The ease of formation of dienone-phenol rearrangement is because of the creation of a stable aromatic system. In this mechanism, we can see that there is here the cyclohexadienone containing C2 or C4 alkyl group. On treatment with an acid, it will be undergoing a 1,2 shift of one of these alkyl groups to a di-substituted phenol. That is, this is the di-alkyl substituted molecule containing a ketone, and this is the formed product. The driving force for this reaction comes from the aromatization of the ring. Here, coming to the mechanism, we can see that here what is happening is that here we can see C double bond O. This oxygen is more electronegative than carbon. Electron will be attracting towards its center. So this will be getting a del negative charge, and this carbon will be getting a del positive charge. And in this, we can see that the del positive charge here, this carbon is forming a del positive charge. That is, this positive charge is formed here. And in the presence of H plus, already this is having a positive charge and this oxygen is having a minus charge. In the presence of H plus, this H plus protonation, it will be added here. Already a positive charge is there and this electron will be shifted to this position, that is towards the deficient center. So we can see this will be developing a positive charge. So this position, that is the electron will be deficient here, and to this electron deficient position, the alkyl group R group will be shifted to this position. Alkyl group will be shifted to this position, that is, since the electron is deficient here. So this alkyl group is moving to this position. So this position, this will be getting a positive charge. So this is the positively charged center and alkyl group is here. And already a hydrogen is there in this position, that is CH is there. This hydrogen, that is this electron will be shifted towards this position and it will be forming a aromatization of the ring will take place. That is, the dienone, this ketone is converted to a phenol. That is called as dienone-phenol rearrangement. That is the shifting of a alkyl group, that is This is the mechanism. That is just the structures are noted here. Here the positively charged center, this is shifted. Then this will be developing a positive charge. The alkyl group will be shifted to this position, and automatically this will be having a positively charged center, and the proton will be getting eliminated, and this will be forming a phenol molecule will be formed here. And in one of the canonical structures, the positive charge lies on the carbon adjacent to a highly substituted carbon. That is, hence a carbocation rearrangement is taking place. First, the carbocation is formed here, then it is shifted to this position, and subsequent loss of proton yields disubstituted phenol. The ease of this diene-on-phenol rearrangement is because of the creation of a stable aromatic system. If one of the alkyl group forms a part of the cyclic ring, either of the alkyl group or the ring methylene group itself may migrate. And we can see that in the case of diene-on-phenol rearrangement, the molecule will be undergoing, that is, uh, this molecule, or we can say that this here, this is the cyclohexadienone containing C2 or C4 alkyl group. On treatment with acid, it will be undergoing a 1,2 shift. This is also a type of rearrangement, and this can be considered. This is an example of diene-on-phenol rearrangement. We can see that in this particular molecule, this is the ketone. In this ketone, this will be converted to an OH group. That is OH group, and this system, this is a non-aromatic system. This is converted to an aromatic system in this case. So while seeing the example, you can identify this is a diene-on-phenol rearrangement. So for this, I just noted the example. That is, this in order to when a problem is asked like this, we have to understand what is the diene-on-phenol rearrangement. This is an example, or these all are used in the synthesis of organic synthesis. That is, this is a steroidal compound, 1-methyl estradiol, and this compound, in this case, also we can see the diene-on-phenol rearrangement. And that's all about the diene-on-phenol rearrangement mechanism. To understand the mechanism, you can click on the phenol, underlined phenol here, and open this, or select this, right click, we can see the open hyperlink, and you can directly watch the video in the YouTube. And that's all about the diene-on-phenol rearrangement. Next we can see in the next video. Thank you.